Hello. It's 7:16. Today I had a morning shift. I came back home at like 5 and I was just being lazy and just took shower and now I'm very hungry. I'm a genius. You know what tteokbokki is? I'm not a big fan of tteokbokki. I don't even remember when was the last time I had tteokbokki, but someone sent me a tteokbokki, so finally I'm gonna try it out. But not just tteokbokki. I'm gonna have chicken wings together. Let me see how to make it. Yeah, it's like making instant ramen. Just put water and everything in, boil for 4 minutes. That's it. Okay. Then I have to cook the chicken wings first because it takes almost 20 minutes. Let's start. Let me see. I always use tin foil because I don't want to wash it every time. My schedule is like that. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, night shift. And Sunday and Monday, morning shift. Morning shift is much less busier and it's pretty calm and chill. But somehow after morning shift, I'm so tired. Why? I wanna know why. But the thing is that like I'm so tired after the shift and I really wanna sleep. But I'm forcing myself not to sleep because if I sleep, I can't sleep in the night. That's really bad. Today, the same. Came home, lie down on my couch for like an hour and play game an hour and I just took shower. And now actually, I work on my videos every day. I compromised with myself that I told you like Sunday and Monday after work I'm so tired. So it's like guilty free days. Like if I wanna sleep, sleep. If I wanna play game, play. No pressure at all. No filming, no editing. Unless I want to, I feel like to. Today, somehow I feel like to film this video today. This tteokbokki is portion for 2. But if I make it, I have to finish it. Cause tteokbokki, like you have to eat right away. Cause I don't like soggy rice cake. Like I don't like anything soggy. Noodles, rice cake, anything. Let's make chicken wings first. This, how many pieces? 3, 4. I'm gonna have 6. You know what? Actually, I'm eating this 3 days in a row. Today is the 3rd day, but it's so good. Yesterday, I ate it with rice, and the day before, I ate it with pasta, tomato pasta. Today, with tteokbokki. So, like, this is the main thing, and the side is always changing. Yeah, 6 pieces. 15 minutes first, and then I'm gonna flip them over, then 5 more minutes. So it cook well both sides. And tteokbokki says 500 milliliters of water. Oh, how come it's exactly 500? Look, can you see that? Oh, you can't. But I'm not lying. It's exactly 500. And I'm gonna wait. You know what I really want now? Like a can of super cold beer. But I have nothing. Oh, 2 days ago, I really want to go back to gym, but somehow I'm so lazy. I wanted to do workout, but I didn't want to go to the gym, so I worked out at home, like push-ups and squats. The thing is that I didn't work out for a long time, so I just did like 60 push-ups and 60 squats. Guess what? My legs are sore. I didn't even do like a weightlifting and my legs are sore. My god. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep my word tomorrow. I'm planning to go to the gym tomorrow. I think I haven't been to there for last 2 months and yeah, I'm still paying. Is there anybody like me? You're still paying for the gym but you don't go. But tomorrow I'm gonna go. And it's getting colder, so I think I'm gonna go to a clothes shopping. I will see what I'm gonna buy. And actually I'm thinking to take my camera with me to film this. I'm not sure if I can do good, but yeah, let's see. And I did laundry a couple days ago and I haven't folded them yet. Is there anybody like me? I mean, somehow, why is it so hard to fold them? Is it just me? And I got a matcha kit. I'm gonna try matcha tomorrow. Let me show you the matcha powder. So I ordered matcha powder on Amazon. I had no idea how big 1 ounce is. The price was almost $20, so I expect like this big. This is what I got. And it's not even full. It's like just halfway. It's just halfway. It's not even full. And the day I received this, I didn't read the instruction and I just put this in my milk. And I was like mixing. I drank. There was a big, like how to say, the powder stick together. It's almost stuck in my throat. I was like, oh. And then I read the instruction. I need to mix it with warm water. And then I have to mix it with milk. I'm always like that. I don't read the instruction. If I can't figure out, then I read it. Oh, by the way, let me see how many minutes. The chicken is gonna be ready in 10 minutes. So I'm gonna start to boil the water. Bye-bye. Anyways, I'm gonna try it tomorrow. And I think I bought this too expensive. I don't think all the cafe use this expensive matcha, right? I just need something like cafe standard. Oh, I'm so hungry. Ah, ow, ooh, ah, oh, so hurt. Let's see what's inside. What? I'm a little bit disappointed. It says 2 portions. Let me show you what's in there. 1 ramen noodle and only this much rice cake. Look at this, how small it is. And the powder. How is it possible for 2 portions? This is literally 1 portion. I mean, that's good for me because I don't eat so much. But if somebody buy it for actually 2 people, it's not gonna be enough. Or am I just greedy? This is good for 2 people? I'm not sure. Let me eat and I will share my thoughts after. 이거 아닌 것 같은데. Okay, time to flip them. Oh, it looks so good. I'm so excited. I can eat dinner in 5 minutes. 5 more minutes. Let's make tteokbokki. Rice cake first. And it says I have to keep stirring. And powder. I'm gonna put the ramen a little bit later because I like al dente. I don't like soggy noodles. Oh, I think it's good. I'm so hungry. I wanted to say something, but I don't remember. Tomorrow is my day off and I'm going to be very busy. By the way, my passport is ready. I have to pick it up, but it's in downtown, which is like almost an hour drive. I really don't want to go there. Do you want to see it, how it looks like right now? Yeah, this is how it looks like. I have to keep stirring, otherwise this rice cake is gonna stick to the pan. I mean the pot. I think it's time to put the ramen. Ba-bam. The pot is kind of small. And I have a question. I got a perm. How often do I have to get hair perm? Every 3 months or I can wait for longer? Oh wow, it's almost ready. The chicken is ready. Wow, look at this. Isn't it look delicious? Almost. Okay, it's ready too. I usually eat with this pot, but I want to show you how it looks like. So I'm gonna put this in the plate for you. Oh, I don't think I can finish it. Maybe it's for 2 portions. Chicken toppings. Okay, time to eat. Look. Oh, so hot. Basically, it's ramen with tteokbokki. Ramen. Oh, wow. It looks so hot. Oh, it's good. This chicken wing is so good. And chicken dipping in the sauce, tteokbokki sauce. Oh, chicken wings with tteokbokki. This is good combination. Do you know this feeling? You're hungry, eating, and sleepy at the same time. I'm still hungry and I'm enjoying it. And I'm sleepy. And sometimes this side of tooth is hurting. I really think it's not the tooth hurting. I think I have a gum problem. What should I do? I googled it. It says I have to gargle with salt with warm water. It really helps. Should I do it? So it's like if I don't use it for maybe few days or longer, it's not hurting. But if I use it for few days, it starts hurting. I don't know what's wrong with this. Oh, it's very delicious. Recently, I started watching a Korean drama on Netflix. I really like it. The title is The Dream Life of Mr. Kim. This is about a guy who worked for a big corporation for over 25 years and he got fired and his life after this. So basically he's only like 50 some years old. He's unemployed and he has a son and wife. He has a lot of pressure, something like that. Like, yeah, I don't work for a big corporation. Somebody who worked for a big corporation for that long still struggle after unemployed. You know, like imagine if you work for small companies like me and if you don't have anything else after the job is done, it's really, really depressed and struggle. If the person is 50 years old, you still have like 40, 50 years to live, you know? And yeah, like, but the drama is really good. It shows Korean company culture and everything very brutally. If you want to watch it, go ahead. It's pretty good. I'm not sure if you will like it, but I really like it. What dramas are you watching these days? My favorite American drama is Breaking Bad. Somehow I really like criminal dramas and movies. It's so new to me and it's so interesting. I can't stop watching. Breaking Bad is so good. Maybe I want to rewatch it, but it's too long. I don't have beer, but I have this. Oh. Sparkling water. Oh, I'm so full. I wanted to buy like small bottle. I picked up the box, came home and opened it. I found out this wasn't the bottle I wanted to buy, but it's actually good. Before I used to drink smaller bottle. I drink it, and then this much left. I leave it outside for a couple of days, wasted it. But this one, I put in the fridge, and every time I want to drink, put in a cup, and yeah, I don't waste it anymore because the bottle is bigger. I don't know. And this one, I'm not a big eater, and I finished whole thing and 6 pieces of chicken wings. So it's definitely not for 2 people. Just my opinion. Wow. I'm gonna be lazy. I'm gonna lie down, watch my phone. Everyone, have a good night. Bye bye. 왜 이렇게 졸리냐? 술 안 먹고 술 취한 것 같다. 와.